Never hold in a sneeze again. You could die. This man held in a strong sneeze, and look at the damage it caused to his trachea. Let's understand how this happened. David was having an ordinary day driving to the market when he felt a strong urge to sneeze. To avoid dirtying the inside of his car, he decided to hold it in. However, this instantly ruptured his trachea. At that moment, David felt a sharp pain in his throat and lost his voice. He started driving to the hospital and discovered what had happened. By holding in that sneeze, a 2-millimeter wide hole had opened in his trachea. Smarter people should like and subscribe.